All right, let's see if this corn's ready to harvest. So, the silk is dry and brown. Feels firm. So, we go down and then up. First one. Okay. It's dry. Not too dry, so follow me. Dry. All right, so just came in and harvested 9 ears of corn and all of those green beans, a couple Cherokee purple tomatoes, and a tiny yellow summer squash. There's still a ton of corn left out there, but the silks are not dry and crispy yet. So today, first harvest of corn, 9 ears. All right, the moment of truth. Let's see. Oh, I'm nervous. Okay. For dinner tonight, look at that. Well, to go with dinner. Super sweet white corn. So satisfying. So satisfying.